In this video, I will show you how to create a loyalty program on Shopify. So a loyalty program is an amazing way to increase the amount that a customer spends with you on the long term. For example, you can set up a point system where people can eventually pay for an order with points that they save up through making orders. Now, if you want to set this up, you want to open up Shopify and click Apps. Then here go All Recommended Apps and click Shopify App Store in the bottom. Now from here in the top, I recommend searching for this app called Smile. Then here click Smile, Loyalty and Rewards. I believe this is the most popular one and I think it's the best one too. They have over 6,000 reviews with a rating of 4.8 stars, and you can see you can set up points, memberships and VIP and referrals. For example, if someone invites someone to order a product from your store, you can give them and the person they invited a discount on their order. So you can even set up a referral program for your store. Now you can see people can also earn points by ordering products. You can have a dedicated page and a checkout page where people can actually redeem the points for a discount. So to use this, first just click install on the Smile app, and then here just confirm by clicking on install again. That will take you right here. From here, just go and click on get started. So basically what they do is help you get more repeat customers. Now here you can choose how you'd like to set it up. So every time a customer makes a purchase, they will be rewarded with points that can be used as a discount on their next order. So you can choose 3% back in points on every order, 5% or 10%, and here every time you have an example. So for example, if you choose this one, when a customer spends $100, they get 1,000 points, which can be redeemed for a $10 discount. Now you can just experiment with what works best. So I would recommend starting with 3% and then moving up, seeing which one gets you the most amount of profit. Now I will start with 3% and click next. Now here you can go and click on next again. And now here you can choose your brand color. So first you can customize your loyalty program name. So it's called My Store Points. Now of course here you want to have your own store name. And then here you can choose what your brand color is. So you can just add the color code right there, or you can just do it like this. And then you can select a color for your icon and text, which you can see there, and then click next. Now again, you can change that later. Now you are ready to start rewarding. So customers will earn points on every order, Smile will be added to your store, and customers will be notified by email. So click launch your program if you're ready. And then here you need to click open Shopify theme settings, and when you do that, usually the app will enable itself, and all you need to do is click save in the top right. In this case it didn't, so you can see Smile right here, just enable it and then click save. So then you can close it here and then it should update automatically. And now you have successfully launched this points system. Now down here you can see what happens next. So in a few days the first customer earns points. So customers that earn points are 1.5 times more likely to make a repeat purchase. Then within 90 days the first customer redeems. So customers that redeem points spend 3 times more on average than other customers. And then after customer redeems, repeat order is placed. Now there's one more step that you can see right here, so you need to choose a plan. Now they have a free plan for up to 200 orders, and you can see currently you are on that plan, but you can upgrade to Starter, Growth or Plus. Now you can see some merchants that are actually using these plans. For example, the Plus plan is being used by this store called Drink Monday, and they are also using the Smile app. So you can see for them in the bottom right says rewards. If you click on that, you can see you can become a member and you can get Monday points. So this is the same thing that we'll get on your store. And on top of that, you have the refer a friend. So they get a $10 off coupon, you get a $10 off coupon. So if you also want to set up the refer a friend section on your store, then just go to the apps. Then what you can do is go program. And then from here you can see the point system, and here by the way you can also change how much people get and how they can redeem the points. But here you can click referrals, and now you can also set up a referral system. So a referring customer now gets a €4 off coupon, and a referred friend gets a €4 off coupon as well. Now you can activate it by clicking activate right there, and now it is enabled. Now finally you also have a VIP, but for this you will need to upgrade to one of their more premium plans. Then in activity you can see it for points, referrals and VIP, and your bonus campaigns you can see there as well. Now if I visit my online store, you can now see in the bottom right we have this rewards thing right there. If you click on that, right here you can now become a member, and here they can actually earn points. So if they click ways to earn, then here you can say place an order, 3 points for every €1 you spent. And then they can click join now, and then they can actually create an account. So then you will also be collecting their email address. Now if they just go to the checkout and add something to their cart, and then click checkout. Now for me, I haven't set up checkout yet, but then they will also see that they are earning points from buying that product that they can then use in the future to get a discount. So I definitely recommend setting this up, and I recommend the Smile app since you can just get started for free, and it also integrates with MailChimp, Judge.me, which is for importing reviews, Gorgios, which is a customer support help desk, and a bunch more tools which you can see right here. Now in settings, you can change the branding, customer emails, the language, billing, stuff like that right here. So if you want to change any of this, just go settings and then you can do it there as well. And with on-site content, you can also customize the launcher, nudges, panel, and all of this right there. So for example here, you can set up your own landing page for the points. You can do the points on the product page, at checkout, after purchase, show points at checkout, and on account page. Now I do like this one, show points at checkout. So I'll click setup. And for this, you will need to upgrade to a premium plan again. And this is the starter plan, which is the recommended plan. Now you can also visit the other stores and just see how these stores are actually using this referral program system. So now you know how to create a loyalty program for your Shopify store. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.